I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly reaching out to me to offer me this earwax remover with camera to try out. This otoscope is a fully functioning camera which also helps to assist you to remove any earwax. It does come with a free app as well to download from the App Store, and the information will be in the listing to get that. During this review, I will be taking a look and using this camera in my ear, so just be aware that there will be footage of that coming up in a moment. And today the things I'll be looking at really are the overall quality. How does the product feel? Are the images that it's given really nice and clear? How comfortable it is and how successful it is as well. And in the box you do get a variety of tools and the instructions on how to use it fully and safely. Once you've downloaded that app from the App Store, you can connect it to the device via Bluetooth. It's really simple to do. And the camera is actually also rechargeable, which I think is really helpful. I thought that the app was really easy to use and the device was actually really comfortable. I wasn't expecting to find anything in my ear, but there was a little bit there. I am a person that cleans out my ears very thoroughly, pretty much every day, so I have very low expectations of finding anything in there. But I was really pleased with the quality of the camera and how comfortable it felt, and I was really impressed with the results. I really like the fact that as well that it's not just for your ears, you can use it anywhere that you wish. So maybe you've got a scratch or a bump in maybe somewhere like your nostril, maybe your scalp, and you want to take a close look, you can use it anywhere you wish. I think the quality was fantastic, the range of tools was really good. I also think the camera was really great as well. So what is my verdict? I think it's a really great quality product. It gave the results I was expecting. It's compact, it's rechargeable, it's versatile. I think it felt like a really nice quality build, and I really like the app as well. I like the fact that the app was free.